Red Hat JBoss EAP Online Training. Introduction to Red Hat JBoss EAP. Red Hat JBoss Enterprise Application Platform (EAP) is a comprehensive platform for building, deploying, and managing Java EE applications in a cloud-native environment. JBoss EAP is designed to help organizations develop and deploy applications quickly, with a focus on scalability, flexibility, and ease of use. Key features of Red Hat JBoss EAP. Java EE compliance. JBoss EAP is a certified implementation of the Java EE specification, ensuring compatibility with standard Java EE APIs and technologies such as servlets, Java Server Pages, JSP, Enterprise JavaBeans, EJB, Java Persistence API, JPA, Java Message Service, JMS, and more. Modular architecture. The platform uses a modular service container architecture, known as the JBoss modules, which allows for faster startup times, reduced resource consumption, and easier management of services and dependencies. High availability. JBoss EAP supports clustering, load balancing, and failover capabilities to ensure applications remain available and performant even under heavy load or in the event of hardware failure. Scalability. It provides horizontal scaling, adding more servers, and vertical scaling, adding more resources to existing servers to meet the needs of growing applications. Cloud readiness. JBoss EAP is optimized for cloud environments, supporting containerization with Docker and orchestration with Kubernetes and OpenShift. It also offers robust integration with cloud services. Management and administration. The platform includes a web-based management console and a command line interface, CLI, for configuring and managing servers, deploying applications, monitoring performance, and more. Developer productivity. JBoss EAP integrates with popular development tools such as Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, and Red Hat CodeReady Studio. It also supports rapid development features like hot deployment and remote debugging. Security. The platform provides built-in security features, including role-based access control, RBAC, secure communication with SSL TLS, and integration with enterprise security systems like LDAP and Kerberos. Support and community. Red Hat offers professional support for JBoss EAP, including updates, patches, and technical assistance. The platform also benefits from a strong open-source community, contributing to continuous improvement and innovation. Use cases for Red Hat JBoss EAP. Enterprise applications. Ideal for large-scale enterprise applications that require robustness, security, and high availability. Microservices. Supports building and deploying microservices architectures, leveraging containerization and orchestration tools. Cloud-native applications. Designed for cloud-native development, enabling seamless deployment and management in public, private, or hybrid cloud environments. Integration solutions. Useful for integrating disparate systems and applications within an enterprise, providing a cohesive middleware solution. What is Red Hat JBoss EAP? Red Hat JBoss Enterprise Application Platform, EAP, is a Java EE-based application server designed for building, deploying, and hosting highly transactional Java applications and services. Here are the key points about Red Hat JBoss EAP. Java EE compatibility. JBoss EAP supports the full Java EE, Jakarta EE stack, which includes technologies for web applications, enterprise beans, transactions, security, and other enterprise-level functionalities. Open source. It is an open-source platform, meaning that the source code is freely available and it benefits from community contributions and collaboration. Scalability and performance. JBoss EAP is designed to handle large-scale, mission-critical applications with high performance and scalability requirements. Modular architecture. The platform is built on a modular service container that enables services to be started and stopped as needed, optimizing resource usage and improving startup times. Clustering and high availability. JBoss EAP includes robust clustering capabilities, which provide high availability and load balancing for applications. Management and administration. It offers extensive management tools, including a web-based administration console, command line tools, and a management API, making it easier to manage application deployment, configuration, and monitoring. Integration. It integrates well with other Red Hat middleware products, such as Red Hat JBoss Data Grid, Red Hat JBoss Fuse, and Red Hat JBoss BPM Suite, enabling the creation of comprehensive enterprise solutions. Security. JBoss EAP provides advanced security features, including role-based access control, security domains, and integration with enterprise identity management systems. Cloud readiness. The platform is designed to be cloud-ready, supporting deployment on various cloud environments, including Red Hat OpenShift, Red Hat's Kubernetes-based container platform. Support and services. Red Hat provides enterprise-grade support and services for JBoss EAP, including updates, patches, and professional support to ensure stability and reliability for production environments. Benefits of using JBoss EAP. JBoss Enterprise Application Platform (EAP) is a subscription-based open-source Java EE-based application server runtime developed by Red Hat. It is designed to help enterprises build, deploy, and manage highly transactional applications in a robust, flexible, and efficient manner. Here are some of the key benefits of using JBoss EAP. 1. Enterprise-grade performance and scalability. High performance. JBoss EAP is optimized for high performance with features like clustering, caching, and load balancing, which ensure that applications run efficiently under high load. Scalability. It supports horizontal scaling, allowing applications to handle increased loads by distributing the workload across multiple servers. 2. Cost-effective. Open source. JBoss EAP is based on open source technology, which can significantly reduce licensing costs compared to proprietary application servers. Subscription model. Red Hat offers a subscription model that includes support, updates, and patches, ensuring that enterprises have access to the latest features and security fixes. 3. Flexibility and modularity. Modular architecture. The modular design of JBoss EAP, based on the JBoss Modules framework, allows you to load services as needed, reducing startup times and resource consumption. Deployment flexibility supports multiple deployment models, including on-premises, cloud, and hybrid environments, providing flexibility to meet various business needs. 4. Enterprise integration and compatibility. Java EE compatibility. JBoss EAP is fully compliant with Java EE standards, ensuring compatibility with enterprise Java applications. Integration easily integrates with other enterprise systems and middleware, such as databases, messaging systems, and enterprise service buses, ESBs. 5. Security. Robust security features provides comprehensive security features including authentication, authorization, SSL TLS, and integration with security frameworks. Regular updates. Red Hat ensures that JBoss EAP is regularly updated with the latest security patches and improvements. 6. Management and administration. Administration console comes with a web-based management console and a command line interface, CLI, for easy configuration, deployment, and monitoring of applications. Management API offers a rich management API for integrating with other management tools and automating administrative tasks. 7. Developer productivity. Developer tools supports a wide range of development tools and frameworks, such as JBoss Developer Studio, based on Eclipse, Maven, and Jenkins, enhancing developer productivity. Hot deployment allows for hot deployment and redeployment of applications without requiring server restarts, speeding up the development cycle. 8. Support and documentation. Comprehensive documentation. Red Hat provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and user guides to help developers and administrators make the most of JBoss EAP. Professional support. Subscribers have access to Red Hat's professional support services, ensuring expert assistance for troubleshooting and optimizing the platform. 9. Community and ecosystem. Active community. The large and active JBoss community contributes to a wide range of plugins, extensions, and third-party integrations. Ecosystem. Red Hat's ecosystem includes complementary products and services, such as Red Hat OpenShift for container orchestration and Red Hat Ansible for automation, which integrates seamlessly with JBoss EAP. Overview of JBoss EAP features. JBoss Enterprise Application Platform, EAP, is a subscription-based open-source Java EE-based application server runtime used for building, deploying, and hosting highly transactional Java applications and services. It is developed by Red Hat and provides numerous features that cater to enterprise-level applications. Here's an overview of its key features. Core features. Java EE compliance fully supports the latest Java EE specifications, ensuring applications are portable and can be deployed across any Java EE compliant server. Modular architecture utilizes a highly modular design based on JBoss modules, which allows services to be loaded on demand, reducing startup times and memory footprint. High availability and clustering supports clustering for scalability and high availability. Includes capabilities for load balancing, failover, and session replication. Management and administration provides a powerful management console and CLI for configuration, deployment, and monitoring. Supports management via JMX, HTTP, and REST APIs. Security Comprehensive security model with support for JAS, JBOSXs, and integration with enterprise security solutions like LDAP, Kerberos, and PKI. Role-based access control, RBAC, for secure administration. Performance features. Optimized for performance. Performance tuning and optimization features. JBoss EAP includes a high-performance web server, Undertow, for fast and efficient web application hosting. Thread management. Efficient management of threads and resources, improving application responsiveness and throughput. Caching. Integrated InfiniSpan distributed in-memory caching to reduce database load and enhance performance. Development features. Developer tools. Integrated development tools like Red Hat Developer Studio and support for popular IDEs, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA. Provides Maven repository and archetypes for streamlined project setup and dependency management. Microservices. Support for developing and deploying microservices architectures with JBoss EAP. Integration with frameworks like Spring Boot and support for deploying microservices on containers and Kubernetes. Flexible deployment. Supports a variety of deployment strategies, including standalone, domain, and cloud-based deployments. Red Hat OpenShift integration for cloud-native applications and container orchestration. Integration and interoperability. Messaging and integration. Integrated messaging with Apache ActiveMQ Artemis for reliable messaging and integration. Supports JCA for resource adapters, allowing seamless integration with various enterprise systems. Web services. Comprehensive support for RESTful and SOAP-based web services. JXRS and JXWS APIs for building interoperable web services. Monitoring and performance tuning in JBoss EAP. Monitoring JBoss EAP. 1. JMX, Java Management Extensions. JConsole, a monitoring tool that uses JMX to provide information about memory usage, thread activity, and CPU load. JBoss CLI, the command line interface can be used to query JMX mbeans. Havkular APM, an advanced monitoring tool that integrates with JBoss EAP for detailed application performance monitoring. To performance counters. Heap memory usage. Track the heap memory to avoid out-of-memory errors. Thread usage. Monitor thread activity and thread pool sizes. GC activity. Garbage collection activity and its impact on performance. 3. Application metrics. Response times. Measure the response times of your applications. Error rates. Monitor the frequency and types of errors. Throughput. Track the number of transactions or requests per second. 4. Log monitoring. Server logs. Regularly check server logs for errors, warnings, and informational messages. Access logs. Analyze access logs to understand user behavior and traffic patterns. 5. Integrated tools. Wildfly Admin Console, a web-based GUI for monitoring and managing JBoss EAP. Prometheus and Grafana, for more sophisticated monitoring, integrate JBoss EAP with Prometheus for metrics collection and Grafana for visualization. Performance tuning in JBoss EAP. 1. JVM tuning. Heap size, adjust the XMS, initial heap size, and XMX, maximum heap size, JVM parameters based on your application's requirements. Garbage collector. Choose the appropriate garbage collector, example G1GC, parallel GC, and configure it properly. JVM options. Optimize JVM options like -XX, -XX, and others for your specific needs. 2. Database connection pooling. Data source configuration. Properly configure your data sources with appropriate connection pool sizes. Connection testing. Enable connection validation to ensure connections are valid before use. Idle timeout. Set idle timeout for unused connections to avoid resource wastage. 3. Thread pool management. Executor service. Configure the thread pool sizes for different executor services used by JBoss EAP. Max threads. Set appropriate max thread limits based on the expected load. 4. HTTP connector tuning. Max connections. Configure the maximum number of connections in the HTTP and AJP connectors. Request processing threads. Tune the number of request processing threads. 5. Cache configuration. InfiniSpan caches. Configure InfiniSpan caches to improve performance for frequently accessed data. EJB caching. Optimize EJB caching strategies. 6. Load balancing and clustering. Cluster configuration. Properly configure JBoss EAP clustering for high availability and load balancing. Sticky sessions. Enable sticky sessions if necessary to improve performance in a clustered environment. Why choose JBoss EAP for your enterprise applications? 1. Open source and cost-effective. JBoss EAP is an open source platform which can significantly reduce licensing costs compared to proprietary solutions. This makes it an attractive option for organizations looking to manage expenses while still leveraging robust enterprise-grade middleware. 2. Enterprise-grade performance. JBoss EAP is designed to handle high transaction environments with reliability and scalability. It supports clustering, load balancing, and high availability, ensuring that enterprise applications can scale to meet demanding workloads and maintain performance during peak usage. 3. Standards compliance. JBoss EAP is Java EE compliant, which means it adheres to established industry standards. This compliance ensures that applications developed on JBoss EAP can be portable across different environments and that developers can rely on a consistent set of APIs and services. 4. Flexibility and modularity. The platform's modular architecture, based on the JBoss Modules framework, allows for flexible deployment and management. Components can be loaded and unloaded as needed, which improves performance and reduces memory footprint. 5. Rich ecosystem and tooling. JBoss EAP integrates seamlessly with other Red Hat products, such as Red Hat JBoss Middleware and Red Hat OpenShift, as well as popular development tools like Eclipse. This integration helps streamline development, deployment, and management processes. 6. Strong community and professional support. The JBoss community is active and provides a wealth of resources, including forums, documentation, and third-party extensions. Additionally, Red Hat offers professional support, training, and consulting services, ensuring that enterprises can get expert assistance when needed. 7. Security features. JBoss EAP includes advanced security features such as role-based access control, integrated identity management, and secure communication channels. These features help protect sensitive data and comply with regulatory requirements. How does JBoss EAP compare to other application servers? 1. Performance and scalability. JBoss EAP, known for good performance and scalability. It leverages the modular architecture of JBoss modules and provides a robust platform for both small and large applications. WebSphere offers strong performance, especially in large enterprise environments. It's highly scalable and suitable for mission-critical applications. WebLogic, comparable to WebSphere in terms of performance and scalability. It's also widely used in enterprise environments. Apache Tomcat, more lightweight, and while it can scale, it's generally not used for large enterprise applications that require the extensive feature set of a full Java EE server. Pyra provides good performance and is built on the Glassfish codebase. It scales well for many enterprise applications. 2 keys of use and administration. JBoss EAP offers a user-friendly management console, CLI tools, and extensive documentation. It's relatively easy to set up and manage. WebSphere, known for its complexity. It has a steep learning curve and requires more expertise to manage effectively. WebLogic, similar to WebSphere in terms of complexity, though Oracle provides comprehensive tools and documentation for management. Apache Tomcat, simple to set up and manage. It's lightweight and doesn't include many of the enterprise features that add complexity. Pyra provides an intuitive admin console and good documentation. Easier to manage compared to WebSphere and WebLogic. 3. Features and capabilities. JBoss EAP, full Java EE support, including JPA, EJB, JMS, JXRS, and more. It also supports microprofile for microservices development. WebSphere, rich in features with extensive Java EE support and additional capabilities for security, transaction management, and integration. WebLogic, comprehensive Java EE support with advanced capabilities for clustering, failover, and high availability. Apache Tomcat, primarily a servlet container, it lacks full Java EE support but can be extended with additional components. Pyra, full Java EE support, similar to JBoss EAP. It also supports microprofile and has features tailored for cloud environments. 4. Community and support. JBoss EAP, backed by Red Hat with a strong community and commercial support options. Frequent updates and a vibrant user community. WebSphere, IBM offers extensive commercial support. The community is smaller compared to open-source alternatives. WebLogic, Oracle provides strong commercial support, but like WebSphere, the community is more enterprise-focused. Apache Tomcat, large community support due to its open-source nature. Commercial support is available through various third parties. Pyra, active community and commercial support options. Regular updates and a growing user base. 5. Cost. JBoss EAP, subscription-based model with different tiers of support, making it cost-effective for various business sizes. WebSphere, typically more expensive due to its enterprise focus and extensive feature set. WebLogic, similar to WebSphere in terms of cost, with pricing often reflecting its enterprise capabilities. Apache Tomcat, free and open source, with optional costs for commercial support. Pyra, free community edition with commercial support available at a cost, offering a balance between cost and features. What are the security features in JBoss EAP? 1. Authentication and authorization. JAS, Java Authentication and Authorization Service. JBoss EAP supports JAS, which provides a standard way to authenticate users and authorize access to resources. LDAP integration. JBoss EAP can integrate with LDAP directories for centralized user authentication. Role-based access control. RBAC. This allows administrators to assign specific roles to users, determining the actions they are allowed to perform. 2. Secure communication. SSL TLS. JBoss EAP supports SSL TLS to encrypt data transmitted between the client and the server, ensuring secure communication. HTTPS. Configuration of HTTPS connectors to secure web applications. 3. Data encryption. Encrypting data sources. Secure configuration of data sources with encrypted passwords and other sensitive information. Encryption of configuration files. Sensitive information in configuration files can be encrypted to protect it from unauthorized access. 4. Security realms. Application security domains. Custom security domains can be defined to apply specific security settings to different applications or modules. JDBC and properties file login modules. Support for various login modules to handle authentication via JDBC or properties files. What are the common troubleshooting tips for JBoss EAP? Troubleshooting. JBoss Enterprise Application Platform (EAP) involves addressing common issues that may arise during its operation. Here are some common troubleshooting tips. 1. Check logs. Server logs. Always start by examining the server logs located in the JBoss_home standalone log directory for standalone mode or JBoss_home domain log for domain mode. Key files to check include server.log, boot.log, application logs. Check application-specific logs if they are configured separately. 2. Server status. Verify server status. Ensure the server is running using commands like ps, ef, vertical bar grep JBosses on Unix Linux or checking the task manager on Windows. Management console. Access the JBoss EAP Management Console at HTTP localhost 9990 to check the status and configurations. 3. Configuration issues. Standalone.xml or domain.xml. Check for any misconfigurations or incorrect settings in these configuration files. Data source configuration. Verify that data source configurations are correct, especially JDBC URLs, usernames, passwords, and driver classes. 4. Deployment issues. Check deployment status. Use the Management Console or CLI to check if deployments are successful. Review deployment descriptors. ensure WebINF web.xml, MetaINF persistence.xml, and other descriptors are correctly configured. Clean and redeploy. Sometimes, undeploying and redeploying applications can resolve deployment issues. Why choose ProExcellency for Red Hat JBoss EAP online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Red Hat JBoss EAP online training can be a strategic decision for several reasons. Expertise. ProExcellency likely offers instructors who are highly skilled and experienced in Red Hat JBoss EAP. Their expertise ensures quality training that covers all necessary aspects comprehensively. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs likely cover a wide range of topics related to Red Hat JBoss EAP, ensuring that participants gain a thorough understanding of the platform and its applications. Interactive learning. ProExcellency may offer interactive online learning experiences, including live sessions, hands-on exercises, and discussions, fostering better understanding and retention of the material. Flexibility. Online training through ProExcellency allows participants to learn at their own pace and convenience, eliminating the need for travel and accommodating busy schedules. Certification preparation. If certification is a goal, ProExcellency's training may be tailored to prepare participants for Red Hat JBoss EAP certification exams, increasing the likelihood of success. Supportive community. Engaging with ProExcellency's training may provide access to a supportive community of fellow learners, mentors, and industry professionals, enhancing the overall learning experience. Cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional classroom-based training, ProExcellency's online courses may offer cost savings without compromising on quality. Thank you.